Let's make an amazing dal. Start with preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Peel your sweet potato and cut into cubes. Dice a big white onion and mince a clove of garlic. Slice your zucchini lengthwise and cut into thin half circles. Remove the stem and seeds from a bell pepper and cut into small cubes. In a pan, add a bit of oil and start cooking the onions. Once they turn translucent, you want to add your garlic, which only needs a few seconds. Add all your vegetables and keep stirring. When everything is heated up a bit, you can add your sweet potato. Cook this all together for a few minutes before adding all your lentils and tikka masala paste, and continue cooking for a few more minutes. Now add your chopped tomatoes, water and vegetable stock powder and bring it all to a slow boil, and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. When your dal is boiling, grab yourself a tortilla and spread a thin layer of oil over it. Add some salt, pepper and parsley, and bake it for 8 minutes in your oven. When it's done, cut it into 8 pieces and set aside. Make a dipping sauce with half of your creme fraiche and some parsley and mix it all together. Now when your dal is done, add the rest of your creme fraiche. And there you have it, a healthy and amazing tasting dinner. Enjoy!